So this is a common Swahili iftar food. In any Swahili home during the Ramadan, you'll definitely find this recipe on their table. So if you Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Rukia Laltia. In case you're new here, please kindly don't forget to subscribe down below, to give this video a big thumbs up, and of course share with others. Today I'm going to show you how to make cassava and coconut sauce known as muhogo wa nazi in Kiswahili with some shallow fried fish. So without further ado, let's start with this recipe. So on today's ingredients, you're going to need some cassava. We have some lemon, or else you can use some lime. We have some chili powder. We have some onions, some salt, black pepper, ginger and garlic paste. We have some green chili paste, and of course we have our tilapia fish, or you can use any fish that you prefer. And I'm also going to need some coconut sauce. So without further ado, let's start with our recipe. So the first step, make sure you've washed and cleaned your fish very well. Then I'm going to cut the fish into two. Then afterwards, I'm going to slightly cut the fish like so that the spices can able to enter very well into the fish. Afterwards, you're going to add the following ingredients. I'm going to add some salt, black pepper, chili powder, ginger and garlic paste, green chili paste, and lastly I'm going to squeeze a lemon, or else you can use a lime, and then mix the fish very well with the ingredients. Once your fish is nicely spiced, you're going to cover your fish with an aluminium foil and place it in the fridge to marinate for approximately 3 to 4 hours. Next step, take your chopping board, take your cassava and peel off the outer skin. Once you're done, you're going to cut your cassava into pieces. Once you're done cutting your cassava, you're going to take a bowl and place the cassava into the bowl, then pour some water and wash your cassava very well. Next step, take your onion, cut it into two because you're only going to use half of the onion, and slice it into small pieces. Then afterwards, you're going to take a grinding wood bowl and place the onion and grind it until soft. Next step, place your pot on a medium heat. Then afterwards, you're going to add the cassava, add the onions, salt and light coconut milk, approximately 2 to 3 cups. Then mix everything well and cover to let your cassava to cook on a medium-low heat. So this step is optional. I'm going to add 2 pieces of green chili, or you can use also habanero. Then cover and let the cassava to continue to cook until soft. Meanwhile, we're going to make our thick coconut milk. You're going to pour 1 cup of coconut milk into a small pot. Then cook it continuously until the coconut milk becomes more heavier. So at this point, our heavy coconut milk is ready, and also our cassava is starting to get soft. So I'm going to drizzle the thick coconut milk into the cassava and let it to continue to cook for approximately 5 minutes. Once your cassava is soft and the sauce has become less, then our coconut cassava is ready, and remove it out from the heat and place it aside. After some hours of marination, we are going to fry our fish. Place a pan on a medium heat and pour some oil and let the oil to heat up very good. Once your oil is hot, you're going to shallow fry your fish. Be careful when dipping the fish into the oil. Then fry your fish until your fish is nicely fried on both sides. Repeat the same process with the second fish if you have a small pan like mine, and once ready, place your fish on a plate with a tissue at the bottom to absorb the oil. And our authentic Swahili dish is ready. As you can able to see in the video, everything is nicely cooked. Then I'm going to serve myself on the plates. There's nothing better like adding some coconut sauce on top of your meal. Oh my god, guys, this is a 10 out of 10 because it tastes so good. So in the Swahili way, when you have this cassava, coconut and cassava sauce with this fish, you need to have pilipili ya kukaanga. So this goes perfectly well. And our cassava and coconut sauce plus fried fish plus fried chili, which is pilipili ya kukaanga, is ready. Like, this meal looks absolutely delicious, and of course it tastes incredible good. And our cassava in coconut sauce, which is muhogo nazi, is ready with some fried fish, and then we have some pilipili ya kukaanga aside. This meal is incredible, delicious, and it doesn't take time, of course. This is one of the common Swahili iftar food. In any Swahili or in any East African home, you'll definitely find this food on their table. If you've enjoyed this video, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up, and of course share with others so that they can be able to try out this recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do, and see you next time. Bye bye.